मैं अल्फा हूँ, हाँ मैं अल्फा हूँ, मैं उम्मीद का दरिया हूँ। हाँ मैं अल्फा हूँ, हाँ मैं अल्फा हूँ, सब में जज्बा जगाता हूँ। फूलों से दौलत बनाता हूँ, इस मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा मैं, एक नया इतिहास बनाऊंगा मैं। शिक्षा ही मेरी डगर में दीप जलाऊंगा, खुद पे यकीन है मंजिलों को कदमों पे लाऊंगा।
मैं आशा की किरण ज्ञान का जरिया हूँ।
हाँ मैं अल्फा हूँ, हाँ मैं अल्फा हूँ, मैं उम्मीद का दरिया हूँ।
Hello students, welcome back to the Alpha Vidya Sankul online classes. Students, today's topic is letter writing, and this is the letter writing letter to editor. You know, there are two types of letter. You see, the first one is the formal letter and the second one is the informal letter, and this is in the part of the letter to editor is the part of formal letters. So let me give you some points and tips how to write this letter. Okay. Students, the format of formal letter is given here. First of all, you need to write sender's address. Sender's address. Then the second one is date. The third one is receiver's address. And the fourth one is body. Now the fourth one is here salutation. The fifth one is subject, and the sixth one is body of the letter. And students, this body can be divided into three parts. The first one is intro. Intro means introduction. The second one is content, and this is very important. And the last one is conclusion. And the last seven is complimentary, closing. Complimentary closing. Here, you know, sender's address means the persons who is going to write, who is going to send the letters to anybody. And suppose I am writing a letter, I am sending a letter, then I have to write my address here, the first one, the top left corner. Okay, but there are so many formats. Sometimes you may find the corner, this address to the right side. Okay, this is the old fashion. But nowadays, most of the people use this format. The next is date, and on which date you write the letter. The next is receiver's address, to whom you are going to write the letters. The person who will get the letter and his address. But one more thing, we have to put the designation. Suppose this is the formal letter you are going to write to the director of education, or you are going to write to the superintendent of police, or you are going to write to the principal or to the editor or the collector, then you have to write, okay, their designation and the address. And salutation. Salutation means, suppose you see the person to whom you are going to send the letter is male or female. And it is male, we say sir. Or it is lady, and then we will say madam. But there are so many different types of formats. Respected madam, or dear sir, dear ma'am, many more. But don't do these things. Okay? Only you write sir or madam. That is very common. The next one is subject. Suppose if I am going to send a letter to the editor or to any person and to any officers, okay, then there is a reason. Why should I write? What are the causes of writing the letter to him? There is a reason. Then we have to write. And here we have to write only suppose 3 to 6, 7 words, not more than. Then the body, and this is very important part, the introduction, and the content, the conclusion. The last one is closing. Closing means what? Suppose you are writing to letter, then you have to say yours sincerely, yours truly, yours faithfully, according to the receivers. Okay? Here the format is, see, suppose this is the page. Suppose this is the page. Then the sender's address will be here. Sender's address. Suppose I am writing a letter, then my address is, now I am in Junagadh, and my address is, what is my address? Alpha Vidya Sankul and it is where the name of the village is Vedal. Then in which district? It is in Junagadh. Students, if we know, then it is better to write here the pin code. Okay, everything will be given in the question paper. Okay. Then what is the rule? Students, from the different points are given here, and you have to make the space. You have to leave the line here. One line leave, one or. It is better to leave one line, not two. Okay. And date. Suppose today's date is, suppose it is 20 August 2020, and this is the format of writing that. Students, many times I found students are writing like that 28 2020 or 20 like this. And these two types of formats, we cannot use this format at any letters. Don't use these formats. So these formats are incorrect. You have to write like this. This is the correct one. Don't forget, don't write like that. Okay, this is the format. The next is, you leave one line. Then receiver's address. Suppose I am going to write a letter to the editor. Suppose the Telegraph or the Times of India. Times of India, where it is in Rajkot, suppose. So here I skip a line. Then here to the editor. The Times of India. Well, there are so many offices in Times of India in every, everywhere. The big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and very big cities, Ahmedabad, they have their different offices. So we have to write where it is in Rajkot. Then I have to write the pin code here. Okay, and full stop. Then what I say here, after leaving this line, I have to write salutation. Suppose we don't know the editor is male or female. Okay, so anyway, it is not mentioned. It is ladies or gents. So you write simple, sir, and comma. Then here subject, write here subject. What is the subject of the, what is the topic you have to write? And the next is what? Body. Body means you have to write whatever, what you want to express. What is your concern? You have to write here. And this is the body, main part. And the second one is complementary. Then you have to write, make a space, a line here, and yours truly. You write truly, very simple, comma, and your name. And you have to write your name. Okay. This is the way. Okay. You have to write your name only. And the name will be given in the question paper. Okay, don't worry. So then this is the up-to-date format of how to write a letter to the editor. Not only for the editor. Any official letters, you have to follow this structure. Okay? But one more thing. Sometimes you may find this, you may not find this comma, full stop. Here I put a comma and full stop, comma. Sometimes you see it is the different type of format. Suppose if you don't want to put this comma, full stop, if you remove this, then you cannot keep here. Okay, and don't keep here. You remove all these things. Suppose here also you remove, here also you remove this, and here also you remove this. All here also. And I put here comma, this remove, this full stop remove, all. If you don't want to do the punctuation, if you start the punctuations by putting comma, full stop, then you have to follow up to the end of this letter. Okay. But not in the body. Okay. But that format also they recommend nowadays. But the most beautiful format is by using this comma and these are things. Okay. Now let's get started by giving examples. This is the format. Then you have to know, you have to learn first all these things. So don't use this format. So let me write a letter to the editor. Why? Because it is only the formulas I am giving you. And without the applications, and if we don't apply how to do and what to do, then it is useless. That is why. So let me write a question here. This is a question. Student, its question is given. Suppose it is question number 10. You are Rani. Your name is Rani, or if you are boy and you are all Raja. Comma. A resident of your address, Azad Colony, Chennai. Two zero five 2050. Suppose pin code. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, regarding the problems faced by the people of your area. And you have to write 100 to 150 words, students. Most of the question papers you will find this word limit. You have to understand. Then be careful. You cannot write more and you cannot write less. Okay, you can write, but you cannot get the appropriate, the good marks. That is why, if you want to get good marks, then you have to follow the instruction. See, first of all, this is the question paper. See, you are Rani or Raja. Suppose you are boy, you take your name Raja. And if you are girl, Rani. A resident of Azad Colony, Chennai, 2050. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India regarding the problems faced by the people of your area. Here something is missing. Something is missing. Due to the water logging during what? Rainy season. And what is the problem? During the rainy seasons, due to the heavy rainfall, and the place is water everywhere due to heavy rainfall, and it causes a lot of problems to the people living there. So on behalf of your locality, your area, you are going to write to the editor to publish, to highlight the problems facing by the people of the area. And why should we highlight this? problems, because if these problems if highlight to the newspaper, then the concerned authorities, the government officers, okay, they will get understand, they will get the news, then after that they will arrange, okay, to solve the problems. That is why, see, the first of all, what are the rules? The first rule is here, this is the question number 10, answer is here. The first, what I say, write the sender's address. Who is the sender? Suppose Rani. Rani is going to write a letter, and her address is here given here, students. Okay, you have to write here. Here, Azad, Colony, Chennai, two 2050, and space, one space, students. Then what will be here? Date. Suppose you write the letter on 21st August 2020, and give a space here. And what is that? The receiver's address. The receiver, to whom are you going to write? You are going to write the letter to the editor of the Times of India. Then you have to write here, give one space, you write here, to the editor. To the editor, the Times of India. Times of India, where? And here the question is missing here also. Chennai. Times of India, Chennai, full stop. And after that, students, what will be here? First, we have written sender's address, date, and receiver's address. Then the next is what? Next is the salutation. Salutation is you have to start sir. Sir, comma. Then after sir, what will you do? This is, you have to give the space here, students. We need to give the space here. Sir, comma. Then next, you write what? Subject. What is the subject? The subject is, the subject you will get help from the question paper. What is the subject? Water logging during rainy seasons. And you write there, here, water logging, water logging, water logging, water logging during rainy season. Students, at least we need to try, we have to try to minimize, the length of the subject. See how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is enough. And we need not to write the full sentence here. Okay. And the subject must be short and sweet. Okay. Now check it out here. How I am writing here. The first one, this is what? Sender's address, date, the designation. Designation means you are writing to whom? You are writing to editor. And the address is what? The Times of India, Chennai. It is the address. Okay? Sir. And this is called salutation. If it is the lady and the editor is the lady, we have to say ma'am or madam. And subject, water logging during rainy seasons. From where you get this information? The information you will get from the question paper. This question is here. Okay? So, the next step will be what? The next step will be body of the letter. So, let me write first this. The body of the letter is here. Through the column of your STEAM. Through the column of your STEAM newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities through the column of your STEAM newspaper. I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities regarding the problems faced by the people of the area due to water logging during rainy season. Students, this part will be the introduction, and why you are going to write, why are you writing the letters to the editor, and it is mentioned here, and the problems, the contents will be here. Okay, so, and you make a space here, gap, then you can write like this: due to due to due to the heavy rainfall. Due to the heavy rainfall, due to the heavy rainfall, there is water logging. There is water logging everywhere in my area. Due to the heavy rainfall, there is water logging everywhere in my area during rainy season. During rainy season. It causes many problems. It causes many problems to the commuters. To the commuters to walk or ride their vehicles. Due to the heavy rainfall, there is water logging everywhere in my area during rainy season. It causes many problems to the commuters to walk or ride their vehicles. It is extremely difficult. It is extremely difficult to come out the people from their homes. There are many potholes. There are many potholes on the road. It creates you can say it creates many problems to the people to perform their daily activities. There are many unwanted accidents in this area due to the bad condition of the road. Above all, water logging areas are the breathing place of mosquitoes. So people the residents suffer diseases like malaria, and dengue. There are many diseases there are many waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, and many other, many infectious diseases in the area. Student, this is the introduction, and the middle one is the content. And there are so many problems faced by the residents of that area. They face many problems due to the waterlogging. So I have mentioned some of the main points here. So there is no space to write much more. So we need to write many more. Suppose the word limit is given 100 to, from 100 to what? 150. So we need to write more. But let me write the conclusion here, okay? Now you see these things. Let me write this. And for the letter writing, you see for the CBSE patterns, you know, there are 8 marks. If you write here, you will get 8 marks. And Gujarat board, it is given 5 marks. You know, 5 marks is a big mark. So if you write properly, then you will get easily 5 marks. Okay. And this is the last part. After this, you make a space, a line. You skip a line, then write here. I expect that my letter will get a suitable space in your newspaper. I hope this letter reaches soon to you. I expect that my letter will get a suitable space in your newspaper. I hope this letter reaches soon to you. Now let me read out. Due to the heavy rainfall, there is waterlogging everywhere in my area during rainy season. It causes many problems to the commuters. Commuters means the person who, walking or riding bus, any car, vehicles, bikes, to walk or ride their vehicles. It is extremely difficult to come out the people from their homes. There are many potholes on the road. It creates many problems, and it should be plural. Problems. It creates many problems you write here to the people to perform their daily activities. There are many unwanted accidents in this area due to the bad condition of the road. Above all, water logging areas are the breeding place of mosquitoes. So the residents suffer diseases like malaria and dengue. There are many waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, and many infectious diseases in the area. Then I expect that my letter will get a suitable space in your newspaper. I hope this letter reaches soon to you. Now it is over. The last part is, let me wrap this, okay. the last part is, after this you write thanking you, give one space and thanking you. Full stop. Space. Yours truly. Comma. And what is your name? Rani. Whatever the name given, you write. And now your letter is ready. And students, one more thing. Many times I found this yours, Y-O-U-R''S, yours truly or obediently. Then here you use this apostrophe, it is totally wrong. Okay, there is no such English. Okay, there is no such English in this world. Don't do these silly mistakes. So don't use apostrophe, comma, nothing. Y-O-U-R-S, direct you have to write. Yours truly, Rani. Then your answer is ready. If you write like this, you will get good mark. Okay? Students, let me conclude my lecture for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.